Hello there, and welcome to this lesson on percentage decrease. Now, there are two ways to work out percentage decrease. Let's try the first one. So we're decreasing 480 by 15%. So what we can do here is work out 480 and multiply it by 0.15, which should give us 72 as an answer. Now, the next stage is that we do 480, take away 72, which gives us an answer of 408. Okay, so that's the first way. So you just turn the number 15% into a decimal, and then you can multiply the answers together. 480 multiplied by 0.15 gives you 72. And then you take away 72 from 480. And that gives you 480. So remember, we're actually decreasing the percentages, working out a percentage and then decreasing the amount from the total amount. The second way to work this out is to take away 15% from 100%, because remember, percentages are always out of 100, and that gives us 85%. So just take away 15% from 100%, and that gives us 85%. And now what we're going to do is we do 480 multiplied by, and turn this into a decimal, by the way, turn this into a decimal, 0.85, turn the 85% into a decimal. And now if you calculate 480 multiplied by 0.85, you'll get the answer 408. Okay, so it's entirely up to you how you would want to work this out. It's your choice. In fact, while we're here, let me just give you a third method of how to do this. Okay, so let's work out what 10% and 5% of 480 is. So 10% of 580 is 48, and 5% of 448, 5% of 48 is going to be half of 10%, so 5% is half of 10%, and half of 48 is going to be 24. Okay, let's add these up. So 8 add 4 is 12, 2 goes there, 1 is carried forward, 4 add 2 is 6, add 1 is 7, gives you 72. So this way you've calculated that 15% of 480 is 72. Now we can just do 480, again, same thing, take away 72, and it gives us 408. Okay, so you've got 3 ways of how to work out percentages and how to decrease percentages. So go with the one that's easy for you and try and do these questions without using a calculator. Thank you.